Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to my messy garage. This week I was a little bit busy to shoot a project video because I was learning how to scuba dive. Since I didn't get a chance to shoot a video of me doing something mechanical, I figured I'd do a little introduction to the equipment I was using for scuba diving. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. A brief description of the equipment we're using here for diving. This is the buoyancy compensator device, or BCD. It's basically a vest with an air bladder, mount for the tanks, pockets for weights, a way of inflating the vest, and several clips to attach equipment. We've got a whistle, light. Over here we've got a regulator set. Pressure gauge tells you how much air you have left. Never want to go below 500 psi. Also a depth gauge and a compass for navigating underwater. This is the primary regulator. Purge button on the end. This is the backup, or they call it octo regulator. Primarily that's for your buddy to use if your buddy runs out of air or has a problem with their regulator. This line is for the inflator for the BCD, takes air from the tank. There's a dust or water cap here. This slips down over the top of the tank. This is the primary regulator, drops the tank from the operating pressure of 3,000 down to 500 and puts it to about 125 psi, which then is dropped further by the regulators. The mask, because I'm old, I have reading glasses built into the lower portion of my mask. We've got a snorkel, and it seems kind of counterintuitive to have a snorkel while you're scuba diving. However, when you are on the surface, it's a waste of air to be breathing off of your primary regulator, but you still should have a snorkel in case a wave comes and slaps you in the face. We have neoprene gloves, neoprene hood, and then I've got pants and a kind of a upper shorts and top with long sleeves built into it. These are 7 mil. West Hawk Lake in the middle of September is not terribly warm, so having lots of neoprene is a good idea. Over here we have my fins, and in scuba they call them fins, not flippers. This bag over here contains a bunch of weights. I have the 2 primary weight packs that go into the BCD. You might ask the question, why do you need weights if you have to inflate a BCD with air to make you float? And the problem is that as you go deeper, the neoprene of your suit compresses and becomes less buoyant. So at the surface, the neoprene suit is quite buoyant, but when you get down to 20 or 30 feet, it no longer is all that buoyant. And the idea behind the weights is that it keeps you, overcomes your weight at the surface, and then the BCD can inflate down below and keep you nice and buoyant so that you don't strike the bottom. The idea is you should just be floating nicely above the bottom. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll get this edited and hopefully get it posted Sunday morning. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.